SimpleLending.com claims to be an online financial services platform that helps people find personal loans, debt consolidation options, and other lending solutions with fast funding and clear terms. But the big question many people are asking is SimpleLending.com actually legit? Let's break it down together. First, here's a good sign. When we checked the WOIS data, we found that SimpleLending.com was registered back in December 2020. That means it's not a brand new website. Websites that have been around for several years usually carry less risk than newly created ones. Next, let's talk about social media. Simple Lending has an active presence on Facebook and Instagram. They post regularly, interact with users, and don't hide behind empty profiles. This kind of activity often shows transparency and real business operations. Another positive point is their Google business listing. The company is officially registered and has shared a contact number and physical address. Legitimate businesses usually provide clear ways to contact them, and this makes it easier for customers to reach out if they need support. Now, let's look at how they explain their services. Their website clearly shows how the application process works, step by step. This helps users understand what they're signing up for. Clear explanations like this usually indicate honesty and openness. But what about real customer reviews? When we checked Trustpilot, we found mixed feedback. Some users had positive experiences and said the team was helpful, friendly, and thorough. One reviewer even mentioned that Corey explained everything clearly and made the process easy to understand. However, not everyone felt the same way. At least one customer shared concerns after signing up. They worried about possible financial risks and warned others to move carefully. They did say they might update their review as the program continues. So what's the final verdict? Based on everything we found, SimpleLending.com does not show major red flags commonly seen with scam websites. Its domain age, social media presence, Google business registration, and transparency all point toward legitimacy. That said, since some users have raised concerns, it's always smart to read the terms carefully and proceed with caution. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.